Are you desperate about the 4 cases in the German language? Watch this video about the first one, the nominative, and then I think it will get clearer. Hallo und moin! When do you use the nominative? So the first thing is to use it in the beginning of a sentence when the noun is also the subject. So if you start the sentence with the dog, you will have the article der, the dog is barking. Der Hund bellt. And if you want to say a dog, so that's the indefinite article, you say ein Hund. So this is just a rule. If the article is masculine, we call it masculine, it's der and then it's ein in the nominative case. But if the article is die, like cat, die Katze, so the definite article is die, and if you say a cat, we say eine Katze. Die Katze ist schnell. The cat is fast. And if you are talking about something that has the article das, you just say das Kaninchen ist braun. The rabbit is brown. So you need to remember der, die, das. You need to remember ein, eine, and ein. You only have to know which article is correct for the noun you're using. Have a look at my video about the articles. There you get some tips, but otherwise a tip is to learn every noun with the article. But there are other circumstances when you use the nominative. And this is after the verb to be. In German, the verb is called sein. If you say, I am a teacher, ich bin ein Lehrer. Or I am the teacher, ich bin der Lehrer. So in this case, it's also nominative. And if it's a teacher that is a female one, then you say, ich bin die Lehrerin. Or ich bin eine Lehrerin, I am a teacher. And if it's das, ich bin das Kind, I am the child. Ich bin ein Kind, I am the child. So nothing is changing. It's called nominative case, der Nominativ. And it's the same with the verb werden. Ich werde ein Lehrer. And if you are female, you say, ich werde eine Lehrerin. You don't have to think about changing the article or something. It's the basic form. And a third verb is bleiben. Ich bleibe ein Lehrer. Oder ich bleibe der Lehrer. Ich bleibe eine Lehrerin. Ich bleibe die Lehrerin. There's also nothing to worry about. That's it for today, because I think that's the basic to know, to use nominative. If it's a subject in the sentence, or if it's after the verb sein, werden, oder, or in English, bleiben. And here are some examples. Der Mann ist nett. Die Frau ist nett. Das Kind ist nett. Ich bin der Vater. Ich bin die Mutter. Ich bin das Kind. Ich werde ein Vater. Ich werde eine Mutter. Ich werde ein Kind. Ich bleibe ein Vater. Ich bleibe eine Mutter. Ich bleibe ein Kind. Now it's time for an exercise. I'll write 3 sentences with the nominative in the comments and I will correct your sentences. You can download my exercise sheet on my Patreon site and there you also get the key to this worksheet. Viel Erfolg! And remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about the German language. Hast es geschafft!